Welcome to Ukapes. It's the UK Africa Professional Educators Seminar. The gathering here is of a group of teachers, veteran teachers with a vast range of experience in the educational field. Many of them have taught for decades and they're bringing that experience to the table. All of us have a passion in education, but all of us also have a passion for developing Africa. So the whole idea of gathering here is to bring our decades of experience to the table to see how we can help to improve or raise the standards of education in our various African countries.
In our group, we were looking at enhancing learning. And of course, I do think that this is not just enhancing learning for us, but enhancing learning for students, perhaps students out there in Africa. What education really means is education is the sum total of all the experiences that someone goes through from birth up to the time you die. That is education.
Our group looked at strengthening collaboration among African teachers in diaspora, in essence, those of us who live abroad. We shouldn't try to be everything to everyone because we can't do it effectively. We have to learn to work together, and this is what this is about, working collaboratively to the benefit of the community, of the people, so that we give our best and we enable others to do what they can as well.
What we looked at disability awareness. Disability awareness is something that a lot of people get confused, even in the UK. When you talk about disability, a lot of people look at it from a physical perspective. They don't look at it beyond that. So we first of all need to have an awareness. The teachers need to be aware of what exactly is disability.
We cannot forget about technology in this day and age. We cannot continue doing things the same way that we were taught or the same way our grandfathers were taught. We have to find a way of changing things. They haven't got technology, but we can introduce technology. I can't remember when I was in university, I used to say, there's no way Ghana was going to catch up with England because I had come here, I had done my master's in information systems. And I was thinking about all the wonderful things information systems allows you to do. And I'm like, they can't do that in Ghana. They haven't even got landlines. But who cares about landlines now? We've got mobile phones. So things can happen. When we start thinking, we can develop new and strong ideas that can change things.
Nigeria has the highest number of out-of-school children in the whole of Africa because of the current insurgency. That insurgency, I'm happy to say, is being kind of curtailed, is being pushed out. 10.5 million children are out of school.
Hello, my name is Martin Machado. I'm originally from Cuba in the Caribbean. I think this is a fantastic event. I think the opportunities that we're discussing to actually help the teachers in Africa to develop their skills and their capability, the capacity to build them, to build a future for the learners, the next generation of learners to come through. I think it's fantastic, and I love what's been said here at the conference.
My name is Mohammed. I'm originally from Guinea-Conakry. Really enjoyed this session, and I believe that this is really interesting. That will actually help the whole Africa.
My name is Sulaiman George Gagbe. I'm from Sierra Leone. I'm a medical researcher, PhD student. The forums were really, really good, and there's a lot of ideas flowing at the moment, and we're looking to implement those ideas and move the education in Africa forward.
My name is Ejiro Wujabo, and I come from Nigeria. We've been holding a very intense discussion about the quality of education in different parts of Africa, and we actually looked specifically at what enhances learning, the learning experience. We thought generally that the quality of teachers is very crucial, because if the teachers have the right training, then they have a lot of other resources at their disposal, using the children as well to enhance learning.
Hello, my name is Nicola Fishman and I'm co-founder of Dadamak. So it's been really interesting to hear other wonderful teachers talk about knowledge and information transfer. And today we have got a room full of wonderfully experienced people who've got a good heart and a drive to see change in Africa. So really excited to be here today.
How we can actually look at innovative solutions and how teachers can be trained in thinking creatively to work with young people to come up with solutions to the challenges in their own community.
In everything you have to have a plan and you have to have a goal. How can we make a difference, one person at a time, in different countries, and how can we change the lives of not just the children but also the teachers? So the aim was achieved. Everybody enjoyed the session. We're going to review the evaluation and the goals that people have set, and we have to collate, we have to initiate, and we have to transfer that information to ensure that it's not just a talk, but we also have to walk the walk. It was a fantastic event, and I'm really happy that we put it together, and I hope there's many more to come, not just today, but more.
From this seminar, we are hoping that we can collate ideas together and actually go into Africa and establish systems for quality in the education system. We are hoping that we can turn this event into an annual event so that we're able to share innovative practices of individuals who are passionate about transferring their skills from the UK to the African. We are hoping that we are going to be able to expand this small consortium of education practitioners. We are able to attract the attention of big NGOs. They're able to fund this project. They're able to see that what we've set out as objectives have been achieved. So it's the beginning of a long journey for us. We are hoping that we are going to achieve. In fact, as of today, we've achieved a lot in terms of sharing ideas and in terms of thinking about resolutions to overcome the challenges faced in the education system in Africa. I'm very happy to be a co-founder, and I'm very happy to communicate and connect with many people of like-minded interests. Thank you so much.